CTM stock is on a run today, and the whole market is up a little bit. SPY started the day up about 1.1%. It's up about 0.6% so far. We're looking at the whole market, AI and LLM, which is where CTM Castellum stock is. We are seeing that one up. We are trading this morning in our live session in StockMeet, and we are up about $284 so far. Essentially, this was our entry point. It soared from that entry up to about $1.30 before pulling back a little bit. We're starting to see this value fill, and I'm looking forward to the next moves ahead of the response to the more funding for Ukraine that we saw from the US, and also potentially some change in the tariffs, or if any deals are reached there, that will most likely affect the markets as well. So what we could see is this recovery, not just in AI and LLM, but we saw it in quantum as well. I think quantum stocks had a nice recovery. IONQ started the day up about 10%, and Rigetti up about 4%. One thing to look at here, this trade that we're in, CTM stock, if you guys want to watch this trade live at Market Open, it's that second link below. This trade here with CTM stock, essentially what we're looking at here is this fill of value. We've already made about 10% on this swing on a small position. If this thing recovers up to here, be about a $2,000 to $3,000 trade. And essentially, what we're looking at here, of course, today Nvidia was pulling the portfolio a little bit. It's up 6%. But we're looking for a swing that could get up to about $1.60. One thing to consider about CTM is their market cap's around 76 million. So they're a very small company. If you search the company online, you won't really see a lot of growth. You can start to see or a lot of hype, I should say. You will see growth as far as contracts. Today, they just hired this new vice president, and this new vice president of business development. So she'll be managing the contracts, speaking very highly of her, at least from the CEO, in their release on their official site. One thing to note, financials. If you don't look at the financials, you'll be caught in the dust. One thing that happened, we were looking at this stock this morning. We had a call out, I think it might have been from Michael. We had a really good call out on one stock that we were taking a look at. And then we had a Celsius call out. And I was looking at this and I'm like, well, let's take a look at the financials. And it went from, we're looking at it in the morning, 77 million to 79 million to 6 million to negative $18 million in net income in the last quarter. And we're thinking, yeah, I wouldn't really touch this stock long term. It's kind of the opposite. See, their net income was -2, -4, -1. It's been -1.2. They're up 86% in their net income year over year. Their revenue is around $11 million a quarter consistently. And just into 2025, they haven't reported those 2024 earnings just yet. But into 2025, they got multiple contracts, few of them being in the $100 million range. So why is that important? Well, as a defense company, AI and defense are one of the things that we'll most likely see continue to grow into 2025. They announced this $103 million contract for their GTMR subsidiary. They got a $3.2 million contract there. And these contracts service the Navy. Department of Defense is an agency they work with as well. And you can see that this new vice president has extensive experience in contracts for the Department of Defense. So, hey, maybe that plays a role in getting them some more contracts. So again, if we're looking at their financials, we're basically saying, hey, they're at, $100 million contracts, this revenue of $11 million a quarter, but their market cap it's only at, 88 million. Just last week it was at 75 million. And so we're starting to see some growth potentially take place. We essentially have been riding the stock up and down between 70 cents and what is now $1.25. And I could see some potential growth. We're going to be watching it closely throughout the day. Again, looking for an exit somewhere in this $1.50 to $1.70 range, or holding long term depending on this. We're day trading, but we also, rather than just enter and exit in a few minutes, we also do longer term trades, but we also do swing trades. If you ever want to watch a swing trade stocks, like this one at CTM, I would encourage you to check out StockMate. Join us in the live session. Simply take a look. If you haven't taken a look, I would encourage you to do so. It's that second link down below. Join us, StockMate, to see our daily live trading tomorrow. Thank you guys so much. We'll look forward to seeing you at Market Open. If I earned your thumbs up, hit that like button. Again, we got thousands of videos, or almost 1,000 videos on YouTube. So if you're looking for technical fundamental analysis help, I would encourage you to check out some of the other videos on the channel. So do consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.